here's something we've tried a couple times and we really like it. I buy a slice of ham, it costs about $2, a can of pineapple cubes, and what we're going to do is, well, we put all the liquid from the can in the bag, then we put about half of the pineapples. Now this is already cooked, but we're still going to brown it up, and we really like it. I mean, kind of a takeoff of having a ham with pineapple, doing it with a slice. It's small, it's convenient, and with other things we eat, this is like a serving for 3 people. Also, we're doing our potato combo. We're going to peel these, the sweet potatoes and white potatoes, and cook them together, and then we're going to mash them up together as well. Now you can put carrots in with this too, but we've got broccoli for our vegetable tonight, and we want it separate. But this just makes, if you don't like sweet potatoes that much, this makes them better. And I don't know, it works for us. So we use this can of pineapple, which is 20 ounces chunks in juice. And like I say, we used all the juice and about half the pineapple that was in this. So here's our finished results. We have the mix of the sweet potato and regular potato, and then we have the ham and the pineapple. Yummy good.